Hi everyone, how are you? Today, I would like to teach you how you can post the affiliate product, DHgate affiliate product on the Pinterest, and then share your affiliate link. And it's very interesting. Your affiliate link is when somebody click on that affiliate link and buy, you earn the commission, and very interesting skill. This is special for people who doesn't have the website. Okay, it's very simple. Just follow up step by step. Okay, click on the Google Chrome. I'm already in my workspace, DHgate affiliate. So click on these images. Okay, and save them one by one. Okay, save on your photo. Then come back to the click on the link. When you click on the link, here you have a description, and down below is giving you copy all or copy all the link. Okay, we'll come back later. First, we wanna copy the description. Okay, copy the description and then go to the Pinterest. All right, I need to log in into my Pinterest, but make sure you have also the Pinterest business account. And it's very simple. You can create one. Okay, I'm gonna click on my profile, and from the plus sign here in the bottom, you see you click on the plus sign, and it shows you, it's telling you create the pin or college or board. Just create the pin, the new pin. Okay, I need to select the photos which has uploaded them right now and click next. All right, next. And then here title and description, write the description below, paste, copy paste. Okay, and then we need to go back to the browser again, put the title. I don't need title that long. Let's say from here until here, copy, and then go back to the Pinterest, put the title. All right, okay, now the last thing could be the link, and again go back to the browser, copy all the link. The link has already copied. Come back to the Pinterest, click on the link icon and paste the link, and then here you have a category and the topic related. Click on the categories. You can choose any category you want. Okay, bags, makeup bag, messenger bag. Okay, select all this guy and this guy. Okay, okay, a black bag, mini bag. Okay, leather bag, pin bag, school bag, total bag. Okay, done. And now you just come to the advanced. Advanced is fine. Advanced setting, and very simple. Create the pin, and here you go. The pin has been created. View. Fantastic. The pin has already created. You see, it's making animation. It's slideshow. Okay, now come down. If click on the visit the site, it will take you directly to the DHgate.com, the website of the product, and then you can view all the product, because to make sure that your link is working correctly. Okay, all right. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like.